Hello guys, good evening everyone. My name is Gyanand from English with Village Vlog. So guys, today I am going to tell you one beautiful story. In this story, I will use some advanced structure, some advanced word, and also you will get to know how to speak any story with the help of past tense. So let's get started guys. If you watch this video till the end, definitely you are going to learn how to speak in English and how to practice in English without any teacher, without any institute, and without anyone. You are enough to practice in English guys. So let's start guys. 2 days ago, I was invited to a birthday party. So I was quite happy. I was over the moon that okay, today I'm invited for a birthday party. So I started preparing for that. I didn't have money, so first I went to my mom and I asked my mom for 500 rupees. My mom immediately gave me 500 rupees. Then I went to market. From the market, I bought some clothes and one beautiful gift. Then I came back to my home. After that, I took a shower and then I was given lunch. I took lunch. After taking lunch, I went to my room and turned on the fan. I lay down in my bed and I slept. In the evening, I woke up and I got ready. I put on my new clothes and I grabbed that gift and I went to my friend's home. Having reached there, I saw there were so many people and my friend's home looked totally decorated. So many colorful lights and those lights were like blinking. So it was amazing party. First I met my friend and he welcomed me warmly. He was quite happy. He was looking handsome. I wished him happy birthday. Then I gave him the gift. Having taken gift, he got very happy. He asked me to sit, and after some time a cake was cut and it was distributed among the guests. Then we ate that cake, and after some time all the people were asked to take food. So people started having food. After having food, there was a music system, songs were being played, some Bhojpuri songs were being played. So people started dancing, and yes, my friend came to me and he forced me to dance. First I denied dancing, but he forced me, insisted me on dancing. I said okay, let's dance. So I started dancing. I kept on dancing for 1 hour, and when it was 1 a.m. then I said to my friend that now I have to go to home because my mom, she must be waiting for me. My friend said it's quite late, you can stay, in the morning you can go. I said no, I have to go, let me go. Then he said okay, go. And then I left my friend's home for my home. I was coming on foot. There was no one. The area was secluded, deserted, and it was quite dark. All of a sudden, two unknown boys came. They had like knife in their hand, and they were covering their face with black mask. They waylaid me, they stopped me, and they said, "Mister, give me whatever you have." I got shocked and scared at the same time. I got like totally surprised, shocked that how come I got these robbers. Then first I denied. I said, no, I don't have anything. Then one of those robbers pushed me and he started threatening me. He said, "Give me, otherwise I'm going to stab you." I got totally shocked. I got goosebumps. Then I had like 1,000 rupees and my mobile, so I gave them. After giving them all the thing, then I gave them, and after that they pushed me and they ran away from there. I shouted, but nobody came over there. Then I thought I must go to home. Then anyhow I reached my home and I rang the bell. My mom opened the door. Seeing me, she asked, "What happened? You seem to be sad." Then I told my mom everything about that incident. Then my mom said, "Okay, no problem. Thank God they didn't kill you. You are saved. You are safe. So it's okay. Don't worry about your mobile and cash." Then my mom pacified me. Then I also got relief. I said, "Okay, let it be. Thank God they didn't kill me." And then I went into my room and I slept. So guys, it was a story. Of course you can speak a story. If you speak small stories every day, like related anything, so this is called practice. If you watch videos, if you think, if you just regret how to become fluent English, that person is speaking, that girl is speaking, that teacher is speaking, why I can't speak? Guys, they speak. They may have environment. They may be doing hard work. What you do? So guys, don't compare yourself to anyone. Just start with what you have. So guys, thank you so much. If you have liked this video, please subscribe, and definitely you will be fluent in English. Because yes, these tricks worked on me. Of course these tricks will work for you as well. So thank you so much guys. And if you really want me to make you practice like this, to guide you, to motivate you, so please comment me and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys. Bye. So guys, this is beautiful sunset. I hope you like it.